Our patients have been through so much these past few years. They've experienced loved ones who've not felt well or perhaps passed away. So they've experienced loss. Maybe they lost their job. In the beginning, we were seeing a lot of our patients losing their jobs. We've also seen our patients step up, where they've taken charge of their health, where they might have gotten a promotion or really took that step out to improve their life, to become a leader of their family, a leader in their job. And then love throughout everything. We've seen love persist. Volunteers in Medicine was founded with love. So everything we do here at the clinic is really to be that love and to provide that service and care and compassionate care to those patients.
I have a brother that was only 41 and just died last year from a heart attack. Maternal grandmother, heart disease due to complications from diabetes. And another brother that not so long ago passed from COVID. So I have had a lot of loss of family due to poor health. So when I initially came to Volunteers in Medicine, I was greeted with pure kindness. They did my physical assessment and determined the path that they was gonna go to get me back to good health. I initially started just wanting to lose the weight, but it turned out it had to be a total lifestyle change. Can't just lose the weight and be okay. I joined the gym to turn my health around, and I do a lot of cardio, and I do some weightlifting. I stopped eating out and started cooking my own food. I eat a lot of veggies. I work at BJ's Wholesale Warehouse Distribution Center. I'm a forklift operator. I love operating forklift. I'm still a work in progress, but I'm on the right track.
I do precast construction. It's before the foundation. Sewer, manholes, underground, anything like that, I do it.
Maurice is a good leader, really good at his job. Training people, when he looks at like a piece or if we're building anything like that, I don't think he really goes, too much into stressful thinking about it. And he teaches other people that as well.
I get the paperwork in the morning. The paper come in, the blueprints. I get the blueprints. And I'll tell them what we need to do as far as setting up and getting ready for the concrete to be here at 12 o'clock. Because when the concrete come at 12, you gotta be ready. Everything gotta be ready. If you ain't ready, you behind.
The leadership qualities that Maurice shows, isn't really putting stress on a whole lot of people. I think he makes it easier to work, in my opinion.
So when I went to the fair, the man had guessed my weight. And when he guessed my weight, it wasn't the same weight from a week ago. And I knew something was wrong. I had dropped 20 pounds in less than a week. When I go to the emergency room, I was, sugar was 500. And that's when I found out I had diabetes. And the doctor was a doctor that volunteered at Volunteers in Medicine, and he said, this is gonna be expensive. And he told me about this program. Volunteers in Medicine helps me out with that. Gives me free insulin, free needles, and a free Libre so I could check myself and see what my sugar is. It's not a doctor's office. More like home. They treat you like you belong.
But every day I see Maurice, he lives, his normal life. He lives, still living his life to the fullest. You can't really tell that he has diabetes unless he told you.
When in Jamaica, I visit my ophthalmologist every year. When I moved to the States, it was time for me to see the ophthalmologist. My daughter took me to her ophthalmologist, and there I was told that I need an cataract surgery. The cost was $8,000, to which was too much for me or my daughter. My daughter went on the internet and found VIM and made an appointment for me, and I came down here and I see Dr. Finley, and then she made an appointment with the ophthalmologist, to which I was told that the surgery was not needed right now. I could go on some more. The staff is very courteous, and my number one doctor is Dr. Victoria Finley. She's very pleasant. She tends to listen to you when you're talking, and sometimes I might stop, and then she say, talk up a little more, Angela, tell me what is going on. If it wasn't for COVID, I would give Dr. Finley a very big hug. At VIM, there's a lot of love from the staff. They make you feel comfortable when you come here. Oh, they are so awesome.
Loving, heartful person in order to volunteer. That's why I think they're doing from the love of their heart, because they care.
There's a lot of love here at Volunteers in Medicine.
Thank you. I don't know where I would be if it weren't for Volunteers in Medicine, helping me out on a day-to-day basis with my diabetes.
Saved my life, literally. They saved my life.